Welcome to a 60-second wine review with me, Nick, from Lake Geneva Country Meats. Today we're reviewing the Honoro Vera Rioja. This wine comes to us from Rioja, Spain, and is made from 100% Tempranillo grapes. I get aromas of dark fruits like blackberry and plum. Definitely a lot of fruit aromas in there. It's a dominant thing. I would call this a medium-bodied wine with those dark fruit flavors in it, but also some spiciness on the finish and a dry finish as well. I can still have those tannins in my mouth. I think it'd be a great pairing with grilled or roasted beef or pork. Even like a spicy chili would be a really pretty nice pairing with this wine. You can find this bottle for under $10, and for an everyday drinking wine, it's a really great price. So give the Honoro Vera Rioja a try. It's a great label, and be back soon for our next wine review. See you soon.